Aerial view of Assembly Row in Somerville, Massachusetts as the Orange Line subway passes over a bridge by the Mystic River. Close-ups of the front entrances to the Miscela and Montaje apartment communities in Somerville. People exit Assembly Row. Businesses such as Cafe Nero, Lotus-inspired light fixtures suspend from the ceiling in the Miscela lobby. A living room area with wide floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook the Somerville skyline. The interior courtyard at Miscela features an in-ground pool, lounge chairs, and ornate pergolas. Co-working spaces and gathering cabins, each decorated with plush sofas, chairs, and wide tables. Apartment bedrooms with wood-inspired floors. A fitness center with equipment such as free weights and spin bikes. A person drinks a juicy green smoothie next to the cycle bar. Aerial view of the buildings in Somerville's Assembly Row. People sit in a rooftop gathering area with floor-to-ceiling walls that overlook grilling stations and cabanas. A conference room area with a long table, chairs, and a presentation screen. Close-up of the in-ground pool and shaded cabana areas surrounded by a green lawn and trees. People eat a meal at Earl's Kitchen and Bar. People have drinks by a fire pit at River Bar. Assembly Row stores such as Nike and Polo Ralph Lauren. Aerial view of Somerville. The Encore Casino, illuminated in a golden glow, is in the background. Next, 2 unique apartments. 40-plus stores. 25-plus dining establishments. 6 entertainment options. 7 minutes from downtown Boston. Montaje, Miscela. Assembly Row. AssemblyRowLiving.com, Equal housing opportunity.